What does the rooster do? Cock-a-doodle-doo! What does the snake do?
No.
Oh, no? Oh, wow.
Oh.
Wow. Yeah, what does the cow do?
No.
Oh, no?
Oh no, you're not going to tell us? You're not going to tell us what the cow does?
What does the rooster do? What does the rooster do?
Cock-a-doodle!
Oh, yeah. And what does the duck do?
Quack,
Oh, wow.
Ooh, quack,
And
quack.
what about the owl? Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Uh-oh.
You're so cute.
Uh-oh.
What does the owl do? Ooh, ooh. Oh, how about the donkey?
What's that?
What's that? Those are Grandma's plants. And water. What? What?
Boo-boo.
Poo-poo?
No.
You poo-poo?
Boo. Right.
Connor, what does the cat do?
No.
Meow?
Uh-oh.
What about the dog? What about the dog?
What's the puppy dog do?
Uh-oh.
Okay, what does the bird do?
Kiki.
Yeah. And what does the kitty cat do?
No.
Meow. And what does the doggy do?
No.
Oh.
Well, you don't want to tell us.
Yeah.
No.
Connor, what does the little blue truck do?
Beep, beep,
Beep, beep. Beep,
What does
beep.
the blue truck do?
No.
What does the truck do? Boom, boom.
Beep, beep.
Moon. Ah.
This wall is dirty. What you doing, Connor?
That's water. I think I gotta fix that. Put some.
Hi, Connor.
Rotting.
Right.
That's water.
What's that?
We say it's water.
Wait.
Water. Say, Grandma.
What's that?
That's water. He's fixated on it.
It's dripping.
Oh, that's water. Oh,
Oh,
that was good.
Connor. Connor, say cheese. Connor, do the face.
Oh boy.
Oh, you found his puddle.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. All right. I think your mom's. What are you gonna do? What are you doing? I think he's trying to drink the water.
I think so too.
I think that ball's ready to go.
Connor, do you want some water?
Oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Ow!
No, no.
Oh.
No, that's gross. Yucky. Connor, yuck. No.